How to make a website dark mode in Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can make all website, or you can say all content, in dark mode. Yes, you can convert easily all website in dark mode in Chrome browser in your desktop. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open my Chrome browser here. So this is my Chrome browser, and I can make the changes some in setting, so it will be converted in dark mode. So what you need to do, just go to the setting first and come to the address bar, and this is the Chrome :/ setting. You have to just select setting words and follow with the keep the Chrome and : and / and just enter like flags. So this is a flag setting, just hit the enter. Now you can see all your flag setting here. You can see this advanced setting. In search here you can search with in flags, search like dark, search dark keywords, and this auto dark mode for web content will be appear. Now what you need to do, just click on enabled here, just enable it, relaunch your Chrome browser, and you can see now I can open every web page in dark mode. Okay, you can see all web page in dark mode. You will not need to do anything. Okay, so simply if you want to disable it, simply go to the flag setting again, search here dark, and just make it default and relaunch. Then dark mode will be disabled on your Chrome browser. Okay, so that is how you can enable dark mode for all website in Chrome. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.